In this video, I'll show you the fuse box locations because there's two for the Hyundai Santa Fe from 2007 to 2012. So the first one, you need to go on the left side of the dash. You see there's a panel over here. Stick your two fingers in it and then pull. This way the lid will come out. It's held by clips and some fuses will be right over here in front of you. If you do not have a good access to them, you can always go from the top, but you'll need to remove those switches. But I think just by removing this, you'll be fine. And on this other side, you have the diagram telling you which fuse is which. It's very useful, so you know exactly which one to replace. Now it's time to open the hood of the car, so I show you the second location. So you see on the right side, this is where the battery should go. It has been removed, but right on the right side of the battery, you have a box that says fuses and relay box. You see there's a clip here. Just push on it and pull up the whole lid. Then you can remove it, and you see this is where all your fuses and the other relays are located if you didn't find the one you're looking for in the first location. And on the lid, as usual, you have all the fuses with the name of each of them, which is again very helpful. To put back the lid, very easy, just align it and give it a good tap. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if this video was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.